Would you like to learn how to play piano in the style of Red Garland? Well, in today's quick tip, I'm going to show you 5 great techniques that are characteristic of Red Garland's playing. By the end of this quick tip, you'll sound great using these techniques over a major blues. You ready to learn how it's done? Then let's begin. One great characteristic of Red Garland's playing was his left-hand comping pattern on the and of 4 and the and of 2. Let's see how that would look over a major blues. Let's now add a right-hand melody over that left-hand syncopated comping on an original song inspired by Red Garland called Red and Blue. Another characteristic of Red Garland's playing was that in addition to the left-handed comping, he would add right-hand octaves with a minor third from the top. And it created what I call the Red Garland rub, where it created some dissonance between the two hands because he would keep that minor third on top regardless of what the chord was underneath, and it created this beautiful dissonance between the hands. I'm going to show you some examples of that coming up. If you're enjoying today's quick tip, please hit the like button, and if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe for more great content just like this. So if we look at the harmonized melody, and we look at the left hand playing this G13 with the flat 9, notice that we have this note up here which is a minor third, but look, flat 9 and a natural 9. Do you hear that rub? But it sounds very hip because he keeps it going. Even this one here, it's an E flat, right? That's the melody, and it's a minor third, but the left hand is playing a B natural, so you have the 4th and the 3rd right next to each other, and you have an E flat and an E natural right next to each other. So you have that rub, and then you have the resolution. So there's several examples in here that I want to play, and we're going to play this melody with these really cool block chords with that Red Garland rub, and you're going to see what I mean as we play through this blues. If you'd like to get the downloadable PDF and backing track from today's quick tip, please click on the link below. Next up, I'm going to show you 4 Red Garland licks, and these are blues licks primarily. The first one, lick number 1, starts on beat 3, and it sounds like this. 1, 2. Pretty cool, right? The second one uses what's called enclosure, and it also starts on beat 3. 1, 2. So enclosure means we're enclosing the note. We're enclosing the G by going below it, above it, below it again before we finally hit the note. Lick number 3 uses repetition and sounds like this. 1. Like it's stuck on that, right? And uses thirds, which is really cool. The next one, lick number 4, uses the C minor blues scale starting on the 3rd and sounds like this. 1, 2, 3. So cool. Now we're going to show how we can use these licks over a major blues. And if you'd like to learn some more great jazz piano techniques, please check out the many courses we have over at pianowithjohnny.com. All right, finally we're going to put this all together in a final arrangement by starting off with the simple melody here, red and blue, and then the second time we add the beautiful Red Garland rub chords here with the block chords. Then we're going to do our solo using the different licks that we learned today. Then once we get down here, after the solo, we're going to DS back using those really cool block chords back to letter B. And then we look for the 2 coda sign, which is right there, and our coda, which does a little tag ending. We do that 2 times before we finally end on C. All right, have fun, and we'll see you at the finish line.
Hey, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the lesson, please let me know in the comments. Also, be sure to check out pianowithjohnny.com. We have over 1,000 step-by-step lessons for all playing levels where you'll learn your favorite songs, styles, and how to improvise at the piano. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.